If you've done any research into author marketing, you've probably heard that building an email list is a critical piece of your marketing strategy. So if it's so important, we probably ought to have the best email service for our author journey. So by the end of this video, you should be able to make a solid decision on which email service is going to be right for you. And I'll even let you know which one I use myself. So what's the best email service for authors? Well, like most things, it depends. You have to ask questions like, how many subscribers do you have? How many do you hope to have? How many emails will you send each month? What's your budget? And even if you know the answer to all those things, email service platforms are smart. They know that it's a pain in the neck to switch from one service to another. So grabbing you on a free or inexpensive account while you're small, they know that chances are you're going to stick with them even when you grow, even if it's not necessarily cost effective. I know I haven't switched email services since I started because even the thought of it is daunting. But I also picked a really good one out the gate. Kindlepreneur founder Dave Chesson has switched services 4 times in his career. And his thoughts? It's a pain. That's why choosing the best email service from the get-go, one that'll serve you now and as you grow into the future, is so important. And of the near innumerable options out there, we've boiled it down to 2 options that we want to share with you. First up is Kit. Kit is the email service formerly known as ConvertKit. And even though they trimmed down the name, they ramped up the features. Kit is a clean, intuitive email platform built with creators in mind. And it's especially strong if you want to grow your list, nurture readers, and keep your writing business simple. While it helps you collect email subscribers, send email newsletters or updates, automate welcome sequences and book funnels, track performance, clicks, and subscriber behavior, Kit also lets you build landing pages, forms, and even accept payments for digital products like books or mini courses. They're really trying to become an all-in-one hub for creators, not just an email tool. Oh, and did I mention they ramped up the features as well, even on the free account? Kit's free newsletter plan launched in 2024, and it's a doozy. It comes with up to 10,000 subscribers, unlimited one-time broadcasts, aka email newsletters, forms and landing pages, 1 email sequence, 1 basic visual automation, subscriber tagging, basic reporting and analytics, the ability to accept tips and sell digital products, and 1 user seat. The bottom line, you can create a welcome sequence that automatically triggers when someone signs up. It can tag the subscriber, deliver a reader magnet, and send a short series of emails, all without paying a cent. The visual automation editor is clean, intuitive, and powerful enough for 99% of what authors and creators actually need. Kit handles forms and landing pages inside the same simple builder, which allows you to create opt-in forms for your lead magnets, fast, clean, and mobile responsive out of the box. You can embed them in your website, set them to pop up or slide in, or even use standalone landing pages if you don't have a website yet. We actually have a full review article on Kindlepreneur.com that goes even further in depth on Kit, and of course, I've got that linked in the description below for you. But before we talk more about Kit, let's look at our other email service, MailerLite. MailerLite is a platform known for its clean interface, generous free plan, and solid automation tools. It's designed to be simple and easy to use for authors and small businesses who want to reach their subscribers with newsletters, automations, or digital product launches. And just like Kit, MailerLite also has a free plan to get you started. Currently, MailerLite's free plan includes up to 1,000 subscribers, 12,000 emails per month, an email automation builder, a drag and drop email editor, landing page, website, and blog builder, and of course, 1 user seat. Now you might be thinking, Zach, that sounds almost exactly like Kit, except for less subscribers. And you know what? You're right. The big difference here is simplicity of use, especially with MailerLite's drag and drop templates. While Kit is super robust, it's geared more towards big businesses with multiple streams of revenue, while MailerLite is specifically designed to be simple and easy to use for small businesses. For example, when I first started my email list, I wanted to set up a welcome sequence that was rather complex in nature, but MailerLite's visual automation builder made it much easier to accomplish. I wanted to give away a reader magnet that was actually 7 free fantasy stories about characters people would meet in my Stone and Sky trilogy. In order to do that, I had to create an automation that would send out stories in the right order and after a set amount of time, and even weed out new subscribers that never open their emails. And funny enough, I haven't had to make any adjustments to the sequence since I set it up. And I'm a big proponent of not having to do the same work twice. Even though it was a rather complicated way to do reader magnets, MailerLite made it easier. My welcome sequence is almost the exact same today as it was the day I set it up. And if you like fantasy and you want to see exactly what a welcome sequence can look like with MailerLite, I encourage you to go and check it out at freefantasyfiction.com, which of course I've got linked in the description for you. And before we get into the biggest difference between Kit and MailerLite, here are some of the more advanced features both have. One thing they both have is a subscriber tagging and segmentation system, which allows authors to tag and create custom fields to organize your subscribers based on all sorts of different things, like which freebie they downloaded, which landing page they came from, what genre or topic they're interested in, or even whether they've purchased a book from you. Tags are applied automatically through forms, automations, and even links in your emails. This is huge for authors who write in multiple genres or want to separate readers from collaborators, students, or even superfans. The second thing they both have is simple yet powerful analytics. Every email you send comes with clean performance stats like open rate, clean rate, unsubscribes, deliverability, which is all super important for you to keep track of. You can also test which links people are clicking most, which is great for your testing calls to action or want to see which book cover or bonus offer is performing better. Another thing they both have is A/B testing for emails. On paid plans, you can run A/B tests for your email subject lines to help you learn what performs better. And once you know what performs better, you can adjust your emails going forward. And both of them have ever-expanding e-commerce tools and options, always updating with new features. Okay, Zach, they both sound amazing. What's the really big difference here? Well, really, it comes down to cost for authors. We don't have many complaints with Kit, but the biggest one is how quickly it gets expensive past the free version. A quick look at this price comparison shows how much more expensive it is than MailerLite as your subscriber numbers continue to grow. If you want a more budget-friendly option, especially if you want to do more complex automations, or if you want a slightly more generous free tier, even if the subscriber numbers look higher on Kit, you're definitely going to want to check out MailerLite. At the end of the day, even if we like MailerLite just a hair more than Kit, and trust me, it's really close, we don't really think you could go wrong with either. We've got both of them linked in the description for you, and knowing that you can create a free account, I'd highly encourage you to go and test out both systems just to see which user interface is going to work better for you. And if you decide to go with our favorite email service for authors, we've got a full, completely free MailerLite for Authors course on Kindlepreneur.com, which will walk you through how to set up an effective email system with MailerLite. I hope you're walking away from this video feeling totally encouraged to move forward and set up your own email list. It really is a powerful tool in every author's marketing tool belt. You can do this, and we'll see you in the next video. Ever onward.